Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have one of the easiest jobs you can do on your car, and that is replacing the struts from the trunk or boot, how you call it. So as you can see, it cannot support the weight, and here are the very small struts that it has. Generally you do need to support the trunk with something so it won't fall on you while replacing them, but in this case, because it looks kind of open, I don't think we can do one side at a time, and it should be fine. Here are the replacement ones. It's the Magneti Marelli brand, code down in the description. So here, this one, as you can see, has a parking position that the clip can move. We only need the flathead screwdriver to go under there and lift it up just like that, and that has released, as you can see, the top one. Now let's do the bottom one as well. That should be alright. Yeah. Now let's remove this one to compare it with the new one. We also need to give this a good wipe so that we don't have any dirt. Let's compare it to be sure we have the right part. Always be careful because we haven't put anything to hold our trunk. So there is the new one and the old one. They do look almost the same. Let's try them out and see if it works. So give this a good clean. There is grease in the new one, so just give it a good wipe. And the top one, I don't think we need to remove it in order to put it in. Yeah. Just click into place, turn the bottom one to the proper orientation, and there we go. Nice. Let's do the other one as well. So there we have it, both of the straps are replaced. It does come a bit strong. If you lift it like that. Hope you found that useful, and see you on the next one. Bye.